Welcome back. You're watching All About Stocks and ET now. Thank you for staying with us. Hemang Jani is with us as well. We're going to answer a couple of questions that you sent in during the week. Grab a pen and paper, take down these calls. The first of those questions is a stamp of approval question. Vikas has written in. He wants to know if he can buy Tata Global Beverages at the current price. Now, we know Tata Beverages is close to an all-time high. Hemang, would you say it's a bit expensive at this point?
We like Tata Global Beverages. It is one of our stock ideas, and we like the fact that it is a very strong presence in the global beverages space, and it is a very strong execution capabilities as well. The only point that I would like to highlight is that currently it's available at about 18 times its forward PE, which is quite an expensive. Also, the fact that the tea production this year has been short because of the weather conditions, so there is going to be some pressure on the margin. So I would advise him to enter into the stock somewhere in the range of about 110 to 115.
Ravi Kumar Gopalakrishnan has 232 shares of Wipro, which he bought at 400 rupees. He wants to know, should he hold on to it, or would he be better off switching maybe to a Mahindra Satyam or an HCL Tech? Now, we know that Wipro ended the week at 349. What's your call?
We believe that Wipro has actually not performed better vis-a-vis some of the companies like TCS and HCL Tech, and to some extent Tech Mahindra. So I think that it makes sense to move to either HCL Tech or Tech Mahindra in the current scenario.
Jackson Robin has written in 500 shares of Gale India bought at an average cost of 365. Should he sell at these current levels? Hemang.
We like Gale as a company. We think that it is a very robust and a diversified revenue stream, and we believe that the LNG and the CNG segment has provided extremely good performance over the last 2 to 3 quarters when the petchem business has actually slowed down. And the fact that it is becoming an integrated player with a pipeline network in place, also CNG and LPG business, the volume growth has been quite stupendous. So we think that Gale definitely can hold on to it. We have set a target of about 410 for the stock over the next 12 months.
All right, we have time for one more question. I'm going to pull it out of our Facebook page. Jatin wrote in 10,000 shares of Jacob, which he bought at 250 rupees. Should he book losses or should he hold on for a recovery? Now, Jacob ended the week at 57 rupees. It's fallen very drastically over the last 1 year. Do you think he has hope of a recovery?
Jacob is a high beta stock, and they have a couple of businesses, particularly the infra business, where they are trying to put up a project near Navi Mumbai, the SEZ project, which is not actually very clear to us as to what is the exact status of that. Also, some of the other businesses like steel and plastic processing, and one more business. There is some kind of a slowdown and there's not much of a clarity about what the plans of the management are. So we believe that it makes sense to exit this stock at this point of time.
All right, Hemang, we've run out of time on this show. Thank you so much for spending time with us
Thanks
this week and answering our questions. Remember, if you have any question that has to do with your stock portfolio or has to do with trading in the markets in general, feel free to write to us. There's an email ID at the bottom of your screen. You'll also find the video of this show on our Facebook page, facebook.com/allaboutstocks. Thanks for watching.